Yo, what's up? You're back again with another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to make deep house. So before that, subscribe, like, share, comment, yeah. Subscribe. Before you continue, subscribe. Yeah, I hope you have subscribed. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So yeah. You know. Yeah, it's a conga. That's my loop which I made. My loop which I made, drum loop. So I used congas, what percussion and snare. Yeah. That's my kick. Yeah, that's a kick. I got it somewhere in FL Studio. Yeah, that's why I got that kick. Yeah. It's a deep house. So deep house tutorial. So yeah. But the track is not mixed. Yo. You know, that's a Vox from Escape Pack. From Escape Pack 2. So yeah, that's a hi-hats. Another Vox from Escape Pack 2. So that's a snare. From Escape Pack 2 also. Yeah. That's a log drum from Escape Pack 1. So yeah. This is all about it. Escape Pack 1. That's a log drum. So yeah, it's just a simple log drum. But I didn't use piano roll. Yeah. So I didn't use piano roll in this tutorial. Yeah. Let me know if you will have some tough time to understand, to know what I did. But the project will be under the description below. So yeah. I'm gonna play for you the full track now. Okay, let me just play the track. the next video. So yeah, subscribe, like, share, comment. Yeah, shoot.